Good morning, students. Welcome to class of economics. Among all of three subjects, your one subject is economics. Economics paper you will face 80 marks. There are two parts. First is microeconomics, second is statistics. 40 marks. Today we will study about statistics first. Before statistics, unit 1, chapter 1, that is named introduction. But before that, one thing will click in your mind. Sir, what is economics? We have heard this word many and lot of times. But what its exact meaning? Actually, this economics word originated from Greek words. Greek word that is okios plus meaning. Okios means household, Niman means management. Earlier time, Greek society used these words, okios plus Niman. Okios means, if you will search this word in dictionary, Oxford dictionary, then its meaning is household. And Niman means management. Means if you together all these two words, then it means management of householding. You know household, how do you manage your home, your expenses, your income. The way in which you manage your house, it called okios Niman, means economics. Here you examiner can ask MCQ, 1 mark question from you. From where economics originated this word? You can say Greek word. If it asks what is the meaning of okios, then you can ask household. What is the meaning of Niman? Management. Means management of householding things. It calls economics. Then second things come in your mind. Sir, what is definitions? In 11th class, it is not very particular about definition of economics. But some people gave definition of economics. In modern economics, first father of economics this question most of the time examiner asks you, who is father of economics? You can ask, sir, father of economics? It is not a relevant question. But my dear students, if any person take initiative to evolve any subject, he or she called father or mother of any subject. Father of economics was Adam Smith. Adam Smith. If you will go further levels like graduation or post-graduation or 4-year scholars, then you will study its theory, Adam Smith. According to him, economics was what? Creation of wealth. Means all activities which related to wealth, creation of wealth, comes under economics. But after that, one more person came and he asked, no. Adam Smith is saying something wrong. So his name was Alfred Marshall. He was saying, no, Creation of wealth, it's a selfish activities. So according to him, what is definition of economics? Social welfare. Social welfare. Sir, social welfare? Yes. Social welfare means in which activities related to development of a society, where people contribute to develop a good society, it comes under economics. But after this Alfred Marshall, one more person came. Leonard Robinson. Leonard Robbins. He said to Alfred Marshall, no, you are wrong. Because economics is to manage scarcity. Scarcity, you people know, when there is lack of something or deficiency of something, means you have some resources but those are not enough to meet your requirement of your demand, means scarcity means coming. Leonard Robbins said that creation of wealth, it is foolish activity. Then social welfare, it is not enough to define economics. But scarcity means when you meet your requirements with available resources. When you face scarcity, when you face these kind of things, it calls under economics. But one more person came after this. Professor Samuelson. Professor Samuelson. Professor Samuelson. And he combined all the things like Robbins, Adam Smith, and that Marshall. Everyone he added and he made a new definition. Economics means growth. Means with available resources, make growth of society, allocations of resources in a proper way. It called economics. So everyone gave different kind of economic definitions. Examiner can ask you, Professor Samuelson definition was related to what? Then you can say growth. Then Adam Smith's definition related to, you can say wealth, and so on. Okay? So everyone has given different kind of definitions. Slowly we will study about it very deeply, about every aspect. So it was your today's topic. Thank you very much.